War and its impact on the lives of innocent civilians. Ladies and gentlemen, respected teacher and my dear friends. First of all, let us give thanks to God Almighty for His blessing, especially health and the opportunity for us to gather here today. My name is Gali Subahan, and on this meaningful occasion, I would like to deliver a speech entitled War and its Impact on the Lives of Innocent Civilians. Ladies and gentlemen, war is one of the most destructive events in human story. When a war begins, it is not only soldiers who suffer, but also millions of innocent civilians, children, women, and elderly people often become the biggest victims, even though they have no role in starting the conflict. In war zones, civilians lost their basic rights as human beings. Many people lost their homes because of bombings and gunfire. Schools are destroyed, hospitals stop functioning, and clean water becomes difficult to find. Children who should be studying and playing are forced to run for their lives or live in refuge camps. Their dreams are replaced by fear and trauma. One of the most painful impacts of war is the loss of family members. Parents lost their children, children lost their parents, and families are separate without knowing if they will ever meet again. This emotional pain cannot be healed easily. Even after the war ends, the trauma often stays for many years. Dear friends, war also causes hunger and poverty when conflict happens. Food supply becomes limited and price increase. Many people cannot work because their workplaces are destroyed or unsafe. As a result, civilians struggle to survive every day. Hunger becomes a silent enemy that kills slowly but surely. Another serious impact of war is on education. Schools are often closed or damaged during conflict. Children are forced to stop their education, and some of them never return to school. This creates a lost generation, young people who grow up without proper education and skills. Without education, it becomes harder for them to build a better future after the war. Ladies and gentlemen, war does not only destroy physical building, but also destroy humanity. Violence become normal and hatred grows stronger. When people live in constant fear, trusted disappears. This makes peace difficult to achieve even after the fighting stops. Many people believe that war is necessary to solve problems, but history shows us that war creates more problems than solutions. Dialogue, understanding, and cooperation are always better than violence. Peace may take Peace may take longer to achieve, but it saves life and protects future generations. As young people, we may not have the power to stop wars directly, but we can still make a difference. We can start by spreading message of peace, respecting difference, and refusing hatred. We can educate ourselves and others about the real impact of war. especially on innocent civilians. In today's digital era, we must also be careful with the information we share. Related news can spread quickly, and sometimes it contains false or exaggerated information that increase hatred. We should always think critically and cause peace our provocation. In conclusion, war brings suffering, fear, and destruction, especially to innocent civilians who have no control over the conflict. It steals childhood, destroys family, and damages the future of nation. Therefore, peace is not just an opinion; a it is a necessity. Let us hope and work for a world where conflicts are solved through dialogue, not violence, and where every human being can live without fear of war. Thank you for attention.